So let's get a full out view of the car before and after. All right. So what's up everyone? I am super excited. Just got the Mustang back from Cornerstone Automotive. I'll put a link in the video description where you guys can check them out. But we got our side fender fence installed, and they did an excellent job. I'll show you guys once we get home. Great guys, great work overall, A++. Very excited. You know, it adds a little style to the front end, which is something I wanted since we took off the gold stripes. You know, that's kind of why we took the gold stripes off, so we can get these on. And yeah, it just looks really cool. A lot of future plans, and hopefully working with these guys again. So check out the link in the video description if you want to see, you know, who they are. But yeah, my goodness, it is hot in here. I should have the AC on, or at least have the windows down. It's like 90 degrees today. So for those who always say, hey, you didn't rev up or rev the exhaust in your video, go check out my other videos if you guys want me to rev the exhaust. I'm not gonna do it in this video because residential area, and I don't like stirring the pots with neighbors. So if you want to see exhaust videos, go check out the link in my video description, or search my channel for that. All right guys, I'm about to show you what the fender vents look like, so stay tuned. All right guys, so here's the car. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. So the fender vents look awesome in person. I don't know how it's picking up on camera, but in person it is awesome. And they're functional. You can actually feel the heat coming out from the engine bay, which is great since I have long tube headers. And keep in mind the car is not even washed. Super awesome. The Cornerstone did a phenomenal job. We'll be working with them again, definitely, for future mods and future project vehicles. Great guy as well. Guys. If you are new to the channel, 2008 4.0 V6 Mustang. We originally bought it stock. Well, the only thing it had when we got it was the wing. So this GT wing was on here. 4.0, little slow V6, but it's a fun car. So we swapped everything. I mean, you can go and look back to the very first video when it was stock. Everything, the front end's basically new. The bumper, everything, you know, I've gone through so much in videos. Tires, rims, hood, window tint, painted the skirts, all the louvers and everything's all we had put on. New rear bumper, blackout panel, and the works. I mean, everything's been changed. So subscribe to see where this thing goes. But yeah, super excited. Vents look awesome. Definitely, especially in person, they just really add to the car. You know, really add to the front end. Because the front end's very plain, you know. Ford either has that 4.0 emblem right in here or the GT emblem, and it's just plain, you know. It's just, to me, I like custom, and again, the garage did a phenomenal job. So our hood is functional. Heat comes out from the top of the hood. Air can be pulled in from here. So both sides heat comes out. And now it's nice to have these to keep it even cooler, especially on those hot days.